So just checked into my hotel, hostel type of deal. There's no heat, and it's about 12 degrees out. Thank God I brought the warm clothes. Alright, let's go find something to eat. I'm hungry. Cool guys, good morning, day 2 here in Kathmandu. Just woke up, just had breakfast. Yesterday was awesome, yeah. I was walking around on the street and I met this Nepali guy, and he ended up taking me around all day to all the temples, telling me the history, and he was super nice. He didn't charge me anything either. And I'm meeting up with him today again probably. He's gonna take me out to the monkey temple. Wants to show me that. So that was really cool. Just lost power, I think, in my place. Nepal. There we go. Cool. So I'm gonna take a shower real quick, take the drone up now. I'm excited for that, yeah. And then head back out here in a little bit. So let's get back to it. Yeah, let's check out what Kathmandu has to offer somewhere. Yeah, sweet.
Clockwise, then you get good block, peace, power, protection, and long line. Good try.
I just got to a restaurant. I think one of my favorite things is masala tea. It's like a milky cinnamon tea that they have here. It's really common, yeah. And then I ordered some momos, which is basically like a dumpling, yeah. So kind of exploring around right now. And this afternoon, my only real goal is to head to the monkey temple, and then I'm on the first bus tomorrow morning to Chitwan National Park, where I'll spend the next 2 nights. I'll get to do a safari, canoe trips, hiking, everything like that. Hoping this microphone's working good because all this construction's going on around, but let's see. Sweet, so after, what was that? A 5-hour bus ride, I think. I finally got to Chitwan National Park. Just got in the bus, headed to the lodge now. And then tonight, I believe we're just hanging out. We're gonna do like an authentic little dance thing. And then tomorrow's our safari ride, so let's check it out. Just checked into my room at the Rhino Lodge, I think. I'm sorry that my hair is such a mess. I've been wearing a hat for like the past 3 days. Even when I sleep, it's cold. But I just checked in this place. It's all inclusive. I paid $145 USD, 2 nights, I get this nice ass room, which I'll show you in a second. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I get a Jeep safari. I get a canoe trip. I get some trekking. I get some authentic Nepali shows. And the only thing I didn't want was the elephant riding, because that's wrong. You shouldn't be riding elephants anywhere in Asia, anywhere in the world, right? But let's check out the room real quick. Door, massive bed, little bed for my bag, tea kettle, obligatory bathroom. Yeah, this is nice as hell. This is so nice. Like, what the heck? This is the nicest place I've stayed in a while. It's nicer than my house. You've seen my house. This is great. I don't think there's heat. I've been quite cold. There's no heat, but that's okay. It's warmer down here than it is in Kathmandu. So I'm gonna take a rest real quick. Probably a quick shower. And then we're gonna head on down. We're gonna do a walk along the river, is what it sounds like. And then later on tonight is the Nepalese dancing and authentic ceremony that we'll tune into. But let's relax for a little bit, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yeah. So we just did a jungle walk, headed to dinner now, and then we are going to watch a cultural show here in a little bit. So I'm really excited for dinner. Yeah, lunch was incredible. This is like a 5-star place. This is great. So let's check out what's for dinner, and then do our cultural show. Somewhere in the middle of the jungle, looking for rhinos and tigers. Cool guys, welcome back. I think I finally figured out the black lines. It's been my shutter speed the whole time. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, smash that like button and subscribe if you did. All the gear that I've talked about is in the link in the description below. Yeah, so check that out. I get a small kickback at no extra cost to you guys, so that's a big help to me. Thank you. Stay tuned for next time, as we will be heading to Pokhara and also spending the night in a small mountain village called Sankharat. Sarangkot. Yeah, Sarangkot. And then heading back to Kathmandu. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace.